This HP laptop comes with AI, free Office 2024 and 1 terabyte power. It's basically the tech plug you needed. Meet your new hustle machine, the HP 15.6-inch business laptop, where power meets practicality with a side of genius. Powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i3-1215U, 6-core, 8-thread beast, and a generous 16GB RAM, this laptop doesn't just open apps, it launches productivity rockets. Whether you're in Zoom meetings, crushing spreadsheets, or editing that last-minute pitch deck, this bad boy keeps everything buttery smooth. And let's talk space. 1 terabyte of SSD storage means no more deleting files to make room for the next big thing. It's not just business ready, it's boss mode ready. Now let's add some spice. Microsoft Office 2024 lifetime license is included for free. Yeah, we said free. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, the whole productivity squad is preloaded and activated. No subscriptions, no shady trial pop-ups, no license keys to hunt down. This deal alone saves you hundreds of bucks and your sanity. Plus, with Windows 11 Pro, you're rolling with enterprise-grade tools for security, multitasking, and control. This is like having a digital fortress that also knows how to get stuff done. Say hello to Copilot, your built-in AI wingman that does everything but fetch your coffee. Whether you're drafting emails, summarizing articles, or brainstorming your next big idea, Copilot turbocharges your brainpower. Think ChatGPT, but integrated into your system and always one click away. It's like having a productivity genie in your taskbar, minus the weird lamp. This laptop doesn't just do tasks. It anticipates them. Talk about working smarter, not harder. Worried about screen time? Don't be. The 15.6-inch HD touchscreen gives you that sweet interactive feel. Tap, swipe, scroll your way through work or play. And with HP Fast Charge, you're back to 50% battery in just 45 minutes, so you're never tied to a wall for long. The sleek silver finish, whisper-quiet operation, and featherweight design, for a workhorse, anyway, make this laptop your ideal ride or die, whether you're working from the cafe, couch, or airport gate. Compared to other laptops in its class, this one's not just a bargain, it's a tech treasure. Sturdy build, upgradable RAM, up to 64GB, full HDMI support for external monitors, and all the ports you actually need? Yes, yes, and yes. It's reliable, versatile, business and school approved, and stacked with value from the jump. If you're tired of overpriced laptops that deliver half the power for twice the price, this HP is your comeback story. All you gotta do is click add to cart before it ghosts you.